Today, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. Let go. Happy Sunday. Quick recap from last week. What we see right now is we see some zones we highlighted last week. We have the 32K range that we think is going to be support. And we have the 37K range as support as well. And we have the 40K range as a resistance. We anticipated that, hey, we were going to break 37 or 38K and retest the 40K area, but that did not happen. At this current time, the price is holding at 37K right now on the Bitstamp chart. Okay, and just to recap some more, we are in the short term in a downward trend. How do you know we're in the downward trend? From the top, make it drop. Pause. No Cardi B quotes, but that was pretty stale. Comment, yeah, you stale, boy. But you can see from this particular trend line that you see we're going down. So yeah. All right, now it's time for the indicators. All right. So from these indicators, I have the RSI, the stochastic RSI, MFI, and the MACD. I'm going to be doing some videos on what they are and why I use that in the future, but I'm going to continue with my technical analysis. Anyhow, so looking at this from the monthly, we can see that the RSI is breaking downward. So I drew a kind of like a support line from the monthly just because it's trying to get better. But from the stochastic RSI, we're still heading downwards. We can see the money flow index still heading down, and the MACD has a cross. Okay, and this is from the monthly chart. Now we're going to go downwards to the 2-week. From the 2-week chart, we can see that we're heading downwards from the stochastic, but we could have a cross here in the future. I'm anticipating February 14th. All right, we're going to go down to the weekly. Okay, the weekly. Okay, this is a good sign. Right now we're in a good buying area from the weekly. The reason I say it's a good buying area, we can see that the RSI is below 40 following my particular strategy. We can see the stochastic. It doesn't really indicate that we are going to trend up because we don't see the blue over the orange. Okay, like I said, I'll do another video going into detail for each indicator that I use. The MFI is still down. We have the MACD down. So I'm going to look at the 5-day and okay, we don't have any movement. MACD still trending downward. And the advantage that we have with going from the monthly, the higher time frames to the lower time frames, is we can see that our support and resistance lines, those are still intact, like they're still playing with it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the 3-day. Okay, we can see on this particular 3-day chart, we touched 32K, we went up, but we're trying to break this 37K. We kind of broke it a little bit, but we're hanging on that line, so we don't have confirmation yet. All right, now we're going to the daily. Ooh, I've never seen a daily chart like this, but it looks like we have a particular trend line. We have a particular trend line. I'm going to draw a trend line. Just saw it. So let's go like this. I'll make it bigger. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so it looks like we have a trend line on the RSI. All right, I'm just going to do it like this. All right. Doesn't have to be the best, but trend line on the RSI. So on the daily. So what we can anticipate is, let's see if I can do a little drawing here. A little brush here. So what we can anticipate is maybe this goes down a little bit. Then we maybe break out of it. Retest. Maybe blast off. It's a little rare technical analysis right there. But anyhow, let's go back. Get off of this. All right, now we're back. All right, now we're going to take a look at the MACD from the monthly. All right, so what is the MACD? All right, so looking at this website, Investopedia, the MACD is moving average convergence divergence. So that's what the MACD is. It is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. All right, and those two moving averages are the 26-day EMA, and we have the 12-day EMA. Okay, and since we're keeping it simple on Rare Crypto, all you need to really know with the MACD is that it shows or helps us understand whether the market is bullish or bearish. All right, and I'm going to explain that. All right, so what I mean by it lets us know if it's bullish or bearish, we're going to analyze the bearish aspect first. Let me get a circle so you can see from right here. Open that up. You got a cross, price is heading downwards. You got another one, you got a circle, you got a cross, price headed downwards. All right, this is the bearish aspect. Okay, bullish, let's go another circle right here. Let me delete the previous circles, but this is bullish right here. Look at that. Look at that blue over the orange. Blue over orange, bullish. Orange over blue, bearish. All right. And also, when we look at the past, I'm going to get some trend lines here. We can see from the top, we had a cross in 2017 in December. And we can just draw a line straight there, straight to where the cross is. I'm going to make this bigger. We're going to make it circle, cross. Not perfect, but you can see that we had a cross there. The market went down. When we had this cross, we got the green light to enter. Market went back up. So it's lagging. It's a lagging indicator, but it kind of lets us know that, hey, we don't see any sunshine coming soon. All right, so other than that, this is my analysis for Bitcoin. Today is January 30th. Let's see what happens next. I'll see you guys later.
Rare crypto for the people. Rare crypto for the people. Financial freedom. Rare crypto.